Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Daily English Channel, where learning English is simple and enjoyable. I'm Amelia.
Hello, Amelia. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here today.
Hi, Michael. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling fantastic, thank you. And you? You look very cheerful today.
I am very cheerful. I'm really excited about our topic today.
Oh yes, it's a very useful topic. Very practical.
Yes, exactly. But before we begin, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and hit the like button, and please share our podcast with your friends and family. It means a lot to us.
It really does. Okay, so Michael, are you ready?
I am ready. So, what is our topic today?
Today, our topic is Tell Me About Yourself.
Ah, a very familiar question. People ask this everywhere.
They do. In a new class, at a new job, when you meet someone for the first time.
It's true, and sometimes it's difficult to know where to begin.
Yes, so today we will explore it together. We will make it simple and enjoyable.
That sounds wonderful. So, who goes first? You or me?
How about you start, Michael? Tell me about yourself.
Okay, my turn first. Where do I begin?
Let's start with the simplest one. What is your name?
Okay, my name is Michael. M-I-C-H-A-E-L.
Lovely to meet you, Michael. My name is Amelia.
Lovely to meet you too, Amelia. So, next question. Where are you from?
Oh, good one. I am from Australia.
Australia. Wow. I am from England.
England? How interesting. Do you live in a big city?
I live in a medium-sized city. I enjoy it. It is neither too busy nor too quiet. What about you, Amelia?
I live in a big city. It is very lively and very exciting, and I absolutely love it.
That's wonderful. A medium city and a big city. Quite different.
Yes, and do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment. It is a cozy apartment on the 4th floor. I enjoy the view.
That sounds lovely. I live in a house. It is a small house with a little balcony.
A balcony. How nice. I love sitting outside in the fresh air.
Me too. Okay, so we have name, where we are from, and where we live. What is next?
How about how old are you, Amelia, if you would like to share?
Of course. I am 26 years old.
26. Very nice. And you, Michael, how old are you?
I am 30 years old.
30. A wonderful age.
Thank you. I think so too. Okay, so now for an important question.
I am ready.
What do you do, Michael?
I am an English trainer.
An English trainer. Perfect for Mr. Daily English Channel.
Yes, exactly. I help people communicate confidently in English. I genuinely love what I do.
That is truly wonderful. It is such a meaningful job.
Thank you. What about you, Amelia? What do you do?
I am a journalist.
A journalist. How exciting. What do you write about?
I write about culture and society. I love meeting people and hearing their stories.
Wow, that is so fascinating. Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I love it completely. Every day is different and interesting.
I can imagine. A journalist and an English trainer. What a combination.
A perfect team for a podcast, I would say.
Absolutely. Okay, let's see. We have name, place, age, and job.
What else can we cover?
Let's talk about family.
Family. A lovely topic. Do you have any brothers or sisters, Michael?
Yes, I do. I have 2 brothers. Their names are James and Oliver.
James and Oliver. Are they older or younger than you?
James is older. He's 34. Oliver is younger. He's 25.
Oh, so you are the middle child.
Yes, exactly. The middle child. What about you, Amelia? Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have one sister. Her name is Grace.
Grace. That is a beautiful name. Is she older or younger?
She is younger than me. She is 22. She's studying design at university.
Design. How creative. And what about your parents?
My mother is a nurse. She works very hard. And my father is an engineer.
A nurse and an engineer. A wonderful family, Amelia.
Thank you. And your family, Michael?
My mother is a librarian. She loves books more than anything.
A librarian. That is such a warm and lovely job.
It really suits her. And my father is a photographer. He travels a lot for his work.
A photographer. How artistic. You come from a very interesting family, Michael.
Thank you. I think so too. Okay, now how about pets?
Pets, yes. I adore animals. Do you have a pet, Michael?
Yes, I do. I have a dog.
A dog. I love dogs. What is his name?
His name is Rocky. He is very energetic and very playful.
Oh, Rocky. What does he look like?
He's golden, a medium-sized, golden, joyful dog. He makes every day better.
That sounds absolutely adorable. I would love to meet Rocky.
Maybe one day. Do you have a pet, Amelia?
Yes, I have a rabbit.
A rabbit. How unique. A dog person and a rabbit person.
It is true. Her name is Daisy.
Daisy. What a sweet name. What does she look like?
She is white with small gray ears. She is very gentle and very curious about everything.
A curious rabbit. That is so charming.
She really is. She explores every corner of the house.
That sounds like a very adventurous little rabbit. Okay, so we know quite a lot now. Name, age, job, family, pets.
Now let's talk about things we enjoy, our favorite things.
Excellent idea. This is the enjoyable part. Let's begin with food.
Yes. Okay, Michael. What is your favorite food?
This is a challenging question. I enjoy many different foods.
Just pick one.
Okay, I think my favorite food is sushi.
Sushi. How wonderful. A very interesting choice.
I love the freshness of it. What about you, Amelia?
My absolute favorite food is pasta. I could eat it every single day.
Pasta is a classic, always delicious. What kind of pasta do you prefer?
I love pasta with creamy sauce and mushrooms. Simple, but perfect.
That sounds incredible. I will have to try that sometime.
You must. Okay, next favorite thing. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is navy blue, deep and calm.
Navy blue is a very elegant color. I like it very much.
Thank you. What is yours?
My favorite color is yellow, bright and cheerful.
Yellow, like sunshine.
Exactly. It always makes me feel happy.
Navy blue and yellow, a very nice combination, actually.
It really is. Okay, what is next? Favorite animal?
Oh, this is simple for me. My favorite animal is a dog, obviously.
Of course, because of Rocky.
Yes, dogs are loyal and full of energy. I love everything about them.
What about you? Is your favorite animal a rabbit?
Yes, I love rabbits. They are so gentle and surprisingly intelligent.
Intelligent? I never thought about rabbits that way.
They really are. Daisy understands a lot. Okay, let's move on to hobbies.
Hobbies. The things we do for pleasure. Great topic. What are your hobbies, Amelia? Well, I am a journalist, so I love writing. But my personal hobby is photography.
Photography, like your father.
Exactly. It runs in the family. I also love hiking on weekends.
Hiking, you are very active and outdoorsy.
I really am. Nature gives me so much energy. What about you, Michael? What are your hobbies?
I have several hobbies. I love cooking.
Cooking. What kind of food do you cook?
I enjoy cooking Italian food mostly. Pasta, risotto, things like that.
Oh, so you should make me pasta sometime.
Absolutely. I also love reading, mostly history books.
History. Very interesting. And what else?
I enjoy cycling. I go cycling every Sunday morning before breakfast.
Cycling before breakfast. You are very disciplined, Michael.
I try to be. It starts the day perfectly.
That is a beautiful habit. Do you also enjoy watching films?
Yes, very much. I love documentary films. I find real stories fascinating.
Me too. I love documentaries about nature and travel.
We have very similar taste in that way.
We do. This is wonderful. We are learning so much about each other.
I know. It is exactly like answering, "Tell me about yourself," in a real conversation.
Yes, we are. We are giving a very detailed answer right now.
A very, very detailed answer. Let's think, what else?
We can talk about things we do not enjoy.
Oh, that is interesting. Okay, what is a food you do not like, Amelia?
A food I do not like. Let me think. I do not like bitter melon.
Bitter melon. I have never tried it, actually.
It is very, very bitter. Not for me. What about you? Is there a food you do not enjoy?
Yes, I do not like overly sweet desserts, very sugary cakes and pastries.
Oh, interesting. I actually love sweet things.
See, we are different again.
We are. Okay, what about an activity you do not enjoy?
An activity I do not enjoy. I do not like sitting in traffic.
Does anyone enjoy that?
I certainly do not. It wastes so much time.
I completely agree. I also do not like crowded shopping centers on weekends.
Too many people, too much noise.
Exactly. I prefer to shop early in the morning when it's quiet.
That is very clever, actually.
So, this is a wonderful way to describe yourself. You can share what you enjoy and what you do not enjoy.
Yes, that is an excellent point. It reveals your personality beautifully. For example, hello, my name is Michael. I'm an English trainer.
I love sushi and cooking, but I do not enjoy very sweet desserts.
Perfect. That's a great introduction.
Hi, I'm Amelia. I'm a journalist. I love photography and hiking, but I do not enjoy crowded places.
Simple, clear, and very natural.
I think we have covered so much today. Name, hometown, where we live, age, job, family, pets, hobbies, likes, dislikes.
That is a very thorough list for tell me about yourself. And remember, you do not need to say everything at one time.
Oh, absolutely not. That is a very important point. You can choose what to share depending on the situation.
If you are in a class, maybe you say your name and why you are learning English.
Yes, you can say, my name is Michael. I'm from England. I enjoy learning about different cultures.
And if you're at a social event, you could say, hi, I'm Amelia. I love photography and hiking. I'm always looking for new adventures.
That's a perfect conversation starter. The other person will immediately want to ask more.
Exactly. They might say, oh, where do you like to hike? Or what kind of photos do you take?
And just like that, a new connection begins. It all starts with tell me about yourself.
It really does. It's not a difficult question at all. It's an opportunity.
An opportunity to share a little piece of who you are. I love that perspective. I think it has been truly lovely getting to know you better today, Michael.
Me too, Amelia. I discovered that you are a journalist who loves pasta and yellow, and you have a curious little rabbit named Daisy.
And I discovered that you are an English trainer who loves sushi and navy blue, and you have an energetic dog named Rocky.
It was a very successful and enjoyable conversation.
It really was, and I hope it was genuinely useful for everyone listening today.
I hope so too. Remember, you can use these simple sentences anytime you need to introduce yourself.
Yes, don't overthink it. Keep it natural, keep it warm, and be yourself.
That is the most important advice. And always smile. A smile opens every door.
Always. Well, I think our time is coming to an end for today.
Time truly flies when you're enjoying yourself.
It does. This was such a lovely conversation.
It really was. So before we go, we have a small request for our wonderful listeners.
That's right. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Mr. Daily English channel.
And give this episode a like. It genuinely helps more people discover our podcast.
And please share it with anyone who is on their English learning journey.
We want to support as many learners as possible.
And for our question of the day, we want you to practice right now.
Yes, go to the comments section below and tell us a little about yourself.
You can write 1 or 2 sentences. For example, my name is your name, and I'm from your country.
Or, I enjoy your hobby. Or, my favorite food is your food. Anything at all.
We would genuinely love to read your comments and learn something about each of you.
Yes, it will be so much fun to read them all.
Thank you all so much for being here today.
Thank you, everyone. It was truly a pleasure. Stay confident and keep practicing your English every single day.
We'll be back very soon with another exciting episode. Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Amelia.